Well, I got the original cap out. Not original. Cap that was installed. This is not original. I know that because it's, first of all, the Philco radio would pretty much have all Philco branded caps. And this is a spray Gatum, which is a good type of cap. So this is probably put in the mid-50s, I'd say, maybe 60s. It's also totally the wrong value. It's a dual 40 microfarad instead of a dual 20 microfarad. And yeah, so that's just really off. So I'm gonna definitely replace it here. Use the same bit here, and then clean up the strap and strap it in. This will be one of the last parts I reinstall, just because it makes it easier to not have that in there. So it's pretty simple construction. Got the two leads coming out here for the positive, common negative for both. Your stop plate here, and same thing here, but this is cardboard. And yeah, I'll just, tie these two together on the negative end, and keep them separate on the positive end, and just stick it in there. It should have no problem. Well, so, might have to get a little creative with mounting, but yeah. So I'm gonna start taking this apart, and if I manage to destroy it, which is a distinct possibility because I've never done this before, that's okay. I can just put the two caps in and wrap them in some heat shrink tubing that I got at Harbor Freight the other day. Well, I managed to get the cardboard wrapper off of the capacitor, and remove one of the leads so far. I'm going to get the other two off. I'm going to use the original leads here, but I'm going to pull off the insulation. Let's see how this will work. Not quite the way I thought it was going to, so I'm going to have to get a bit creative. Yeah, I may see if I can find a way to shove those in there, because there is a little bit of play in the strap, so it'll be okay. But get those in there and put the leads on them, and probably fill it up with some hot glue or something to that effect. Well, I managed to get the old capacitor parts out, put the new ones in here. Not exactly a circle, more kind of an oval, but able to reuse the old leads and the old wire ends too, and it'll work quite well. Like I said, this will be the last capacitor I put in, that way I have the most room to work under the chassis. And not the world's best job at a restuffing, but I think purely acceptable. And these new caps will last a long time.